Hello everyone, I am Pillar of Machinery, and today we are going to present our latest innovation, the Universal Filler Tomás Guillén, specially designed for packaging olives and practically all types of solid products in any packaging format. And yes, you heard it right, from our own brand. Our extensive experience in the sector has allowed us not only to specialize in the buying and selling of second-hand machinery, but also in the manufacturing of custom equipment. Why choose our filler? Because its versatility knows no bounds. Whether it's a round, oval, square, or any other shaped container, our machine adapts perfectly to your needs. How does it work? It's simple and efficient. The product is loaded into the hopper of the elevator, where the modular belt lifts the product to the distribution conveyor. Here, it is distributed progressively and evenly along the entire belt, ensuring impeccable distribution. The product is directed to the filling hopper, which has been previously adjusted to the type of packaging. Filling is done by gravity and volume, and any excess falls onto the recirculation belt, optimizing the process without wasting anything. What makes our filler special? Its great versatility and ease of controlling the filling through its mechanical vibrators and speed variators. As you can see in the electrical panel, we can adjust the speed of the elevator, the speed of the filling belt, the transport speed, and the speed of the vibrator. In addition, its product extraction system would allow us, in the event of a breakage of any glass container, to discard this unit without the need to remove all the existing product in the filler, rejecting only the product in contact with the broken glass, thus avoiding unnecessary product loss and returning to production in a matter of seconds. Another notable feature of this filler is its easy cleaning, as the machine is constructed from stainless steel and designed for quick access to all its parts. In addition to easy installation, this machine comes fully assembled, and you would only need to place it in your line and supply it with air, electricity, packaging, and product. Production may vary depending on how the filler is used. For example, with olives in a 65 high format, it would yield a production of about 200 containers per minute. Don't wait any longer. Contact us today for more information and discover how we can take your production to the next level. We are ready to assist you at all times. See you very soon.